Welcome back. Hey, did you hear about that vaccine? 90% effective against the COVID-19 virus. I think it's great news. I would have liked to have heard about it, say, a week ago, maybe 10 days ago. Was this kept under wraps for political reasons? Hope not, but probably was. Still good news. We've got the vaccine. Let's bring in Dr. Samadi. Dr. Samadi, tell me all about this vaccine. How are you?
Good to see you, Greg. This is actually a wonderful news for all of us, for humanitarian, and also for a lot of people in the nursing home, elderly, people that are very susceptible to COVID-19. This is coming from Pfizer and a combination with BioNTech. It's a German company. They've been working on this for many months. Credit to President Trump and also Vice President Pence, who put tremendous effort, not only in this particular project, but also in the other two vaccine projects. 90% efficacy is tremendous. We didn't expect to see a number like this. We would have been happy at 50 to 60%, so this is a great news. Why is this the case? Because the numbers are on the rise, and also lockdown is something that we cannot afford, our economy cannot afford. Having this vaccine is a great news. About 50 million of them are going to be available by the end of the year, 1.5 billion available by next year. This is a vaccine that you will get in 2 shots, about 21 days away from each shot. The only problem with this is that you have to keep it very, very cool, about 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees Fahrenheit. But Pfizer is coming up with certain packages that would make it feasible for a lot of people to be able to get this. So I think this is fantastic news. And I agree with you. It would have been great to get this on November 2nd, this news, as opposed to now, but we'll take it.
Okay, but I want to talk about that. You know about the pharmaceutical business. You know about Pfizer. I have, they were talking on the 60 Minutes, I think, about what had been done so far. Gave President Trump virtually no credit. Operation Warp Speed, all of these things he's been doing. Political shenanigans, totally possible, right?
I think we can ignore all of that. He gets the credit for bringing the private and the public business companies together. The government has been directly and indirectly involved in this particular things, and they need the federal fundings and the support to be able to get millions of these vaccines out there. So, they have been working on this for about a year. And if you recall, President Trump said, we will have the vaccine sometime in November. And that's exactly what happened. Vice President mentioned about the fact that we will have 50 to 100 million vaccines available by the end of the year. Absolutely is going to happen. And as we have discussed many times on this show, Greg, we will turn the corner by 2021 with open economy, open restaurants, and a lot of great news is coming to America.
I love it, Dr. Samadi. I love it. I hope Pfizer, which is a good company, did not purposely keep the news under wraps in an effort to influence the presidential election. I hope as soon as it was ready, they just made that information public. I hope, they behaved ethically. I give them credit for the... I don't know. I'm frustrated. But it's good news that we got
a lot of good news is coming. I saw you jumping right now in Pennsylvania. So
yeah,
I think we need to have faith. God is watching. Just be patient. Everything is going to work out fine.
Absolutely. We're all in God's hands, and it's important to remember. Very important. Thank you, Dr. Samadi, and we'll be back with our final word.